Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Monday, October 14th. Well, we're in our third week of nonsense out of Washington, D.C., but we had some nice follow-through on Friday from the big rally on Thursday. Even the S&P finished at 1699, up 14. The high on the session was 1700, so we'll want to see if it can push above that psychological level there in that E-mini S&P. Dow futures up 142, 15,175. The Dow did lead the stock indexes, up 1% on the week. The Nasdaq up 32 on Friday, 32.25.5, still within striking distance of the decade-plus highs at 32.50 some, but it ended up being down 0.4% on the week for that Nasdaq tech sector. Looking at the currencies have gotten eerily quiet. 80.45 was a close in the dollar index. The high was 80.63. The low was 80.34. So only not even a 30-point range in the dollar. And the euro currency as well. It was up 19 ticks, 135.57. The high was 135.85. The low was 135.23. So again, that's only a 60-point range there. The currencies open outcry and the bond market open outcry are closed here today for Columbus Day. Looking at crude, crude had a big sell-off. It did get as low as 160 cents, 100.60 in the crude market on Friday. Closed at 102, down $1. So those are some new relative lows in crude. Crude did lose about $1.80 on the week. And gold got beat down one more time, made 3-month lows in gold. 1268 was a close down 29, low was 1260, and gold lost $41 on the week last week. So as we go into the third week of our shutdown, where do things stand on this Monday morning to start a new trading day and a new trading week? Well, we're off once again. It looks like a little bit of a snag in negotiations over the weekend. We're down 0.6% across the board. Stock indexes are sharply lower. We're down 11.5 at 1687 in the E-mini S&P, down 94 in the Dow, 15,081, and down 14.5 at 3211 in the Nasdaq. Looking at the currencies, like I said, quiet. Down 7 in the dollar index, 80.38, having trouble pushing back below the 80 level once again. And we're up 3, 135.60 in the euro currency, unable to push above 136 on the upside. Bonds up to 132.27. So even though the stocks are off, we're not seeing any reaction in the bond market as looking at that angle anyways. Looking at crude, crude's down 72, 101.34, and gold is up $16, getting back some of the losses from Friday at 12.84. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours ago before the cash stock market opened, we're off this morning, 1687.5 in the E-mini S&P, down 11.5, and down 94 points in the Dow futures as we stand right now. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.